In this video, I am going to tell you how to create an AI agent with Google Studio, and then after creating it, then deploy it on Google Cloud. So this is my Google AI Studio. I'm logged in now. So I will create an application. So you can check my link aistudio.google/apps. So I will give a prompt. I want to create website page builder. You can see one. I want to build a landing page builder for my website. So let me type it in. So I have simply typed in here like build an AI agent for website landing page builder for doctors. So I specifically choose doctor because it is for a specific niche. Let me click build it now. So let AI Studio of Google build it. Google Studio takes few minutes to build it, so let's wait for some time and see how much time it takes to build my AI agent. Then I will directly show you how to deploy it on my Google Cloud. So let me go to my Google account. You can see I have a $5 in my Google Cloud. You can see in my credit section. So I will use this $5 credit to create this app and deploy it on my Google Cloud. So you can see it's now building. It's thinking, identifying, and it will take some time to build it from scratch. So you can see here it is running for more than 180 seconds now, and it has built something like this. So it is building specific for doctors. So let's wait for some more time. It is not taking too much time. It is in few seconds only. So you can see now it ran for 300 seconds and it has built something for me. So you need to click on publish option, and then it will integrate automatically to your Google Cloud. Publish it to your Google Cloud. So you can see it is deploying it to my Google Cloud. You can set up your budget. As I have $5, so I will set up $5 to my Google Cloud and deploy it. So I will enter $5 here because I have only $5 as of now in my Google Cloud. So I will enter the amount and set it up and for deployment. I will also show you in my Google Cloud account whether it is deployed or not. So now it is making and deploying my AI agent. You need to wait for some time because it takes some time for deploying process and setting up your budget. So within a few seconds or few minutes it will be done. So you just need to wait for a while. So it is publishing my app now. So you can see my app is now live, and I will also show you. You can see my Google Cloud account as well, and you can see it is deployed and it is now active. So it is working fine, and the AI agent is working on Google Cloud, and I use my amount which I have budget, which I have on my Google account. So in Google Cloud it is now showing up and it is properly deployed. I will also show you how it works on live. You can see every settings in my Google Cloud. It is active now running, and I am entering to create a landing page using my app. So I will show you how we create a landing page for dentist. So let me type it in and create a landing page. So within a few seconds it will create a landing page for me. It is very fast AI agent which I have created, and it is very useful. You can see it is now created within a few seconds. Within 20 seconds it created a website, a landing page for me, and I will also show you how to edit it. There's an option to edit it at the top. You just need to click on edit option at the top and just make the changes. It is very easy, and you can just click on edit option here and you can do all the changes here. You can change the content, you can add images, you can type in content. So it is very easy. I just change the content here in front of you. I am typing in dentist in Delhi. I can change it the content any way I want. I can type best dentist in Delhi. I can type any other content which I want, and I can customize this landing page using this AI agent. So this AI agent is very useful. You can customize it according to your needs or your client's needs. You can use this AI agent and create AI agent like this. You can create AI agent for different purposes as well, and you can use Google Studio and Google Cloud to create your AI agent. I suggest you to create first AI agent. You can see all changes I am doing, and I am customizing it in front of you. and I will make it live in front of you. So it is very useful and very easy. With AI agents, you can customize your lot of tasks, your so many works you can customize very smoothly, and it is very beneficial for individuals who are into AI industry. They can customize their task according to their needs. After customizing it, you can save the changes, or you can simply download the HTML file from here. It will provide you an option to download HTML file. You can use this file and upload it anywhere you want, and it is very useful. I hope friends now you will be able to do it, and you can get this code and upload it anywhere and make a proper landing page. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you face any problem, you can mention in the comment section and make sure to give a reply, because I reply to everyone. And you can also subscribe my channel if you want to watch such AI related videos and tech related videos. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and stay in touch. Bye bye friends, take care.